Are you having a hard time putting this Goju silicone case to this Goju Turbofan? What's up guys? Welcome to Reviews by Ronan. Ilang ikaw yung nag-iisa na nahihirapan maglagay ng silicone case on this Goju Turbofan. Just a quick short story. So before kasi last year, we did purchase our first Goju Turbofan and wala siyang free na silicone case or wala pa silang sinisell na silicone case. So, a big kudos or a great idea for Goju Doc na naisip nila mag-release ng silicone case. Kasi way back, we are putting this Goju Doc Turbo Fan sa bag together with the keys and the coins. So, medyo may scratches na siya. So, with this silicone case, talagang mapoprotektahan niyo yung turbofan natin. And for sure, this is a long-term investment na since meron siyang silicone case. Just like our phones. Alright? So, what are you waiting for? Let's try this one. To be honest, this is the first time that I will put silicone case sa Gujudok Turbofan. So, wish me luck. Alright, so ipapasok lang siya dito sa ilalim. First muna sa ilalim. Ulitin ko guys. Here, like this one. So, this is the silicone case and this is the turbofan unit. Okay, so papasok nyo pag ganyan. This is the first step. And medyo hila lang. It's somehow tight kasi given the fact na silicone case. So, yan. Na-turn on ko tuloy siya. So, I'm just using my body no, para di magasgisan yan. You can pull it here naman. So, this is the finish na ng body and onting angat lang para sumakto siya sa buttons. So, we do have the head na lang. So, yan, hatakin lang. Medyo mabilis lang pala. Not bad for a first timer. So, meron ding logo na Gujudok. Just a minimalist logo sa silicone case. Which is really nice touch. Kasi minimalist lang. Iba kasi naman sobrang lalaki ng mga logos nila for marketing also. And this one. This is the front page. As you can see, na-cover up nyo na harap. And sa side. And at the back. Yan, sa side yan. Meron din siyang logo na sinasabi ko kanina. So, this is a 10/10 for me and for us, Ronan, kasi tatagal na siya sa amin. So, kahit saan namin siya ilagay sa part ng bag. So, what are you waiting for, guys? Click the yellow basket and comment down your thoughts below. If you have any question, just comment here and we will answer.